water cycle, such a treat. Ready, set, let's move around. Watch the magic spin around. Sun's up high, feeling warm. Little drops start to transform. Up they go, light as air, dancing, floating everywhere. Whoosh! Reach up high, spin like steam. Water moves, water plays through the air in so many ways. Up and down, round it goes. That's the dance that nature knows. Way up high, where it's cool, fluffy clouds begin to grow. White and puffy, row by row. Hop, hop! Wave your arms like floating clouds. Water moves, water plays through the air in so many ways. Up and down, round it goes. That's the dance that nature knows. Can you feel it in the air? Water magic everywhere. From the ground up to the sky, watch it dance and wonder why. Clouds get heavy, can't hold tight. Drops come down with all their might. Pitter patter on the street. Rain makes puddles at our feet. Splash! Jump like raindrops hitting ground. Water